Hi everyone, it's Leigh Goldstein, the Trading Director at 10 Minute Trades. Welcome to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. It is Eastern Time. Let's get started. This week is a little bit quiet, a very unusual quiet week. Sunday evening at 7:30, there's Australia retail sales, no trade room, 7:30 p.m., but we'll be keeping an eye on that report to see if it moves. Monday, we start in the trade room at 9:30 for the Canada IV report. We'll be back at 3:30 p.m. for Pinterest earnings, and then 10 p.m. for the Australia rate decision. That's a very volatile, interesting report. Looking forward to it. Tuesday, 4 p.m., the API crude oil report. Wednesday, we'll be in the trade room at 10 a.m. for crude oil inventories, 11:30 for the WASDE report, and then 12:30 for the 10-year bond auction. Thursday morning at 8 a.m., we'll be in the trade room for unemployment claims. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for the natural gas storage report, and then 12:30 p.m. for the 30-year bond auction. At 8:30 p.m. on Thursday, there's a report we'll be watching, Chinese CPI, PPI. Friday morning at 2 a.m., you can watch the British GDP, manufacturing production, industrial production report to see if it moves the pound, 6p. Friday, we'll start in the trade room at 8 o'clock for Canada's employment report, and we'll finish up at 9:30, preliminary University of Michigan consumer confidence and inflation report. I hope you enjoyed the weekly video that shows our trade room schedule. My name is Leigh Goldstein. I'll see you in the trade room this coming week.